Step 1, let the client fill out the form. Very important, make sure you greet them, give them a hand, and ask them for something to drink. While they're sitting and filling out the form, you're going to go to proefles. You press prospect wil lid worden. Then go to contracts. And then you're going to press the plus, where you can choose a day pass. Just type in day and the day pass will be there. Click on it and always make sure you save it. Then we grab a band in the middle drawer, scan it, press the orange button and fill out the name and save. Then again, go to the profile and save again. Volgende stap, de klant instellen. Hou je bandje tegen de hub, accepteer alles. Druk op machine instellingen en choose man or female. Then fill in the birthday. Let the client step away from the machine and then the height will be corrected. If it's not the correct height, use the other machine next to the hub. And now we're going over to the in body. Make sure they're standing bare feet. And very important, they should not be pregnant or have a pacemaker. Follow the instructions on the in body scanner. Press accept, then go to yes or yeah. Then we go into trainer modes, not EGYM mode. Always use trainer modes. Press next, go to dashboard. And we're going to find the measurements in resultaat lichaamsanalyse. And we're just going to have a little chat about their results. Then we're going to train. So the client logs in with their band and then the trainer will log in with the band. And we're going to do 3 different strength tests. The first one, we tell them to do it very easy and slowly. The second, we do a little bit stronger. And the third one, we do hard as possible. Then we let the client train a little bit. And after the program is finished, we go straight to the next machine. After adjusting all the machines, we're going to sign the client up. They can choose between the different memberships. Once they choose their membership and shake hands, we're going to sign the client up. Use the iPad, use 111, 222, and then go into the program. This is the join the member. We're going to type in the member's name and we will see the member's name. Fill in all the forms, especially with a star. So fill everything up, especially the IBAN number. And after that, you press next and follow the other steps. They will sign and we have a new client. After they sign the contract, they will receive a link to download the app. You can let them download the app and show them how to book the classes. To book a class, press View All. Of alles bekijken. Daarna de dag invoeren en boek het. That's it.